Hi everyone, my name is Richa and I am currently studying 3rd ECE in Vishnu Institute of Technology. I am currently learning cloud computing and DevOps. I have a strong interest in AWS services, especially understanding how cloud infrastructure works in real-world applications. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to create an EC2 instance on AWS step by step using the AWS Management Console. This video is helpful for beginners who want to get hands-on experience with AWS EC2 and understand the basics of launching a virtual machine in the cloud. Here I am on the AWS home screen. So the first step is we need to search for the EC2 institution. So here in the search part you can see EC2 OK. So click on this. So the pages loads up and here you can see the launch instances. So we need to click on the launch instances. So we get a page where we need to fill the certain details. We need to select the application and the OS image versions, then we can select the instance type and then configure the credential. So we'll see it step by step. So first thing, my name tag and tags, so we can do any like so let us suppose I'm using this server to run Genetics, so I'm giving the name as Jenkins EC2. The second solution we need to do is selection of the operating system. So we need to choose the operating system. Here I am choosing Ubuntu. If there is specific versions, then here I am choosing 1804. It is the more stable version. So you need to search here. If you type 18, there will come there. Then the version will come. So I am clicking here. And then it gives the description and the architecture. So we can also change it here, but it's fine for this demo. And you can see it is from the verified provider. So for the security perspective, we can use. So in the T2 Micro, it is eligible for free tier. It is giving us 1 mature CPU and 1 GB memory. It is bit low, but for this purpose of demo, we will continue using it and then keypad. For security reasons, right, we need to give some authentication mechanism. So here it is asking us to for the keypad name. So we can create a new key pair. I already have the existing key pair, but let's suppose like you want to create a new keypad. So just click on create new click and give you some name. Let's suppose I want to give EC2 and then keep your type. We will keep it as RSA and then the private key as power alright and then just create key pair. So it will create a key pair and it will download the PAM file in the default location. So I have it here. And then here some network settings. Check and like allow SSH. So Jenkins usually runs on about 8080, right? So we can add the settings here to allow ET code. So here by default it is giving SSH. We can add a security rule, right? So custom TCP, then the port should be 8080. And then in the source type, so the source type is from where the traffic will be coming. So here I can give like my piece of this will be like specific to my system, but here the IP constantly changes. So whenever we start the system, so the IP major I can say it from anywhere. And the next part is of considering storage. So I'll keep it as it or no. I think we have filled all the required details that we need to spin up easy to instance. So a number of instances, that suppose I need to create 2 instances. So I can, for this I'll just keep it to as 1. Then the launch instance. Launch, and it will take couple of seconds to launch. So it has installed a launch, and we can click here to view all the instances, right? So here you can see, so this is the Jenkins instance that we created. So it is spinning off, so you can see it is in the printing. All right, let's give it couple of stickers. Stickers should be there. Meanwhile, I'll check for my key, the secrets. Alright, so here you can see it is there in the poem. This is the location, documents, it should be running. It is open running. Alright, so next step we will try to connect it from our local. So here you can see the correct option, so you can just click on the connect. So it gives various options like how we can connect. So we can connect to HD2 instance. For the purpose of this demo, I will be connecting using recommended method, that is SSH LAN. And let's open the patch, right? So here I have 5. I'm going to get it back here. So look at your private key. The key used to launch this is, and then finally we get to connect. So here I'll just copy this, okay, and then paste it here. Let me maximize this. So I just copied it and open this command paste, hit here, click on the enter. So it will ask that we want to continue connecting. So I'll see yes. Here, so we are connected to the Ubuntu server. So pretty simple. So just